Hi everyone, I am going to walk you through how you're going to be using your ebook AI tailor guide. Okay, without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so if you are fully paid for this course, you're gonna receive a message that looks like this. And here we have the link to the tutorial and then also the ebook guide. So tapping on the ebook guide like this, advisably I would say that you should open it with any of your accounts. Advisably, I will encourage that you should watch the video courses first before coming to the AI guide. AI guide is just, you're going to actually love this particular ebook. It is loaded, and I really mean it. So this is how the interface of the cover page of the ebook looks. And then look at it, it's very beautiful to read. As you can see, it's very beautiful to read. So how do you use this ebook? It's very simple. I've make sure that I put it in a way that you can just copy and paste. A time where you are going to be thinking, oh, how will I what kind of English should I use? How will I put my prompt? That is one of the reason of creating this ebook alongside with the video course. Okay, so how do you use it? So this is, I think the chapter 1 is just, is welcoming you to the AI stuff, how you can use artificial intelligence as regard to help your tailoring material. So it says here, you can see that whether you sew Ankara, senator, lace, kaftan, agbada or brocade, this guide will teach you how to describe your work to an AI for it to give you a very beautiful result. Okay, so in essence, what this ebook has, this ebook majorly, it has 3 prompt type. We have the image prompt. Yes, the image prompt. It is after when you generate your image that you can now use the video prompt. Okay, and then there are also concept prompts that are packaged into it. It's very loaded. So for example, let me just give you an example. Okay, these are just the tools mentioned. This is where the real deal is. This first part is just the part that you have not gotten a design that you really want for your client. Okay, so and then you have to put a prompt that is going to bring an image that will look befitting, or that will befit your client. That is where this one come to play. You see, it says fabric stroke material, body description, style type, design placement, color combination. So, and it gives an example of what this could be. Create a luxury fashion photo of a tall. This time around, when you copy this kind of a thing, the person, you might just, all you need to do is just to change some little things. For example, now if the person is short, you just, you edit it to be short. If the person is not dark skinned, if it is light skinned, you edit the light skinned. If the person is not muscular, you know what to put. And if you are working, any kind of fabrics that you're working on is what you are going to put in this area. Okay, those are the little things that you just have to change, and then you just put it on any of your image creator being explained in the video, and then you are just good to go. You don't need to be cracking your brain, or what should I put, or how will I give my image a prompt. That is actually the essence of this ebook guide. All right, this is an example for male, and here is an example for female. Okay, and then there are some vocabularies that you can use when you are editing your work. So this is why I have put in these vocabularies for you here, so that you are not going to be looking around of what to use. So, and then look at this. If you want to sew an ankara, this is an ankara for men. This is the kind of prompt that you can use. Okay, ankara kaftan, all of these are for men. Okay, all of these are for men. When you come down, you're gonna see for all of these are for men. So this chapter 6 is talking about the female design fabrics. Okay, all of these are for female, all of these are for females. So can you see that? Then the chapter 7, all right, is now the image prompt. Mind you, when you are working on this chapter, I mean this particular, depending on what you want to do, actually when you go through the video course, you will understand all of these prompts. You will understand which one to copy. All right, you will understand which one to copy, because you can as well even finished your sewing cloth already. You don't even need a design. What you want to do is just to put that design on the neck of the person, or on the neck of the model. You understand? Because you really need someone to wear the clothes before changing it to video. So you can just everything is actually explained in the video, so that's why you need to watch the video first, and then you come back to the ebook. So now this chapter 7 is talking about, you see, video prompt template for social media. These are the prompts you can use. For example, you have created an image of a man that has wear an ankara. All right, so you want the person to model what he has wear. Everything has been explained. You just copy this prompt, you put your image. Especially we are using I don't want to mention it because I can still post this video somewhere else. You put your prompt where necessary, you add your image, and then it's actually going to bring out the cinematic expression. So we have so many video prompts. Can you see? I have put in down so many video prompts there for you. And then I also add for female as well. So when you watch the tutorial, all of this does not matter. You don't need all of this because it's already in the tutorial. Aside that, if you now come to this chapter 10, you are now going to see cut, paste and customize each prompt below in ready for use immediately. For this one, you can just see tall dark man, all white plains, and structure shoulder with white lovely wristwatch, clean. All of these are just image prompts that you can generate and eventually convert into what, into video. Okay, you can see 25 for female, I mean for male, minus, I mean it's actually different from those other ones that I've been showing you earlier. So I've put in down what we know, like in order for this course to make you just upright, so that you will not disturb yourself. I have tried all my best to make that work easier for you. So that is why this guide is very, very necessary. It's very, very important for you. By the time you keep using it over and over again, you become familiar with it. You will not even need to sometimes look at the prompt. It is even as simple as just giving it your own simpler English sometimes. But this is also is going to help because of some of the grammar. You will learn so many grammatic words that should be used, especially those ones that are very important when dealing with artificial intelligence, like when questioning your AI as regard to the fashion industry. So that is why I think I've taken you through how you are going to be using the ebook. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. More customer, more grace. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.